Grubhub sign up, how to create Grubhub account. So if you want to create a Grubhub account, first of all, you can simply open your browser and go to grubhub.com. Once you go there, on the top right hand side, you can see the sign in button. Just click on the sign in option. If you have an account, you can enter your email and password and sign into your account. But if you do not have an account, you can see at the bottom that says an option which is create your account. So just click on the option that says create your account. Now, before you try to create your account, you can also directly link your account with your Facebook, Google, or Amazon account if this is much more convenient for you. But if not, you can also choose to go ahead and then enter your first name, last name, as well as the email address and the password manually as well. So depending upon whatever it is that you would like to create, you should be able to enter them. Click the create your account button. You can also click on continue with Facebook, continue with Google and Amazon, and once you click on create your account, your Grubhub account will be successfully created. This way you'll be able to create an account on Grubhub. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.